Sa lahat na gusto magkaroon ng bagong Marshall speaker this coming November 9, bagsak presyo tayo guys sa lahat ng mga Marshall products. Imagine yung Marshall Emberton 2, 6,000 pesos na lang galing 10,000, and we have 3 beautiful colors that is available. Grabe, napakaganda. Marshall Whelan guys, from 7,000 pesos, 4,000 pesos na lang. Napakaganda, murang-mura, Marshall speaker yan. Marshall headset Major 4, from 9,000 pesos, 5,000 pesos. Grabe, original yan. Earphone guys, kung naghanap ka pa ng mas murang Bluetooth speaker na 360 guys, from 4,000 pesos, 2,000 pesos na lang may bagong Bluetooth speaker ka na. We also have Momax guys, napakaganda ng product na to guys. Super original, super quality, super tibay, super ganda. From 4,000 pesos down to 2,000 pesos, you already have a 70-watt travel adapter anywhere in the world. We also have available original cables guys, from Lightning to USB-C, and even guys, mga pin pop tracker guys. Bagsak presyo po yung lahat. So lahat na nakikita yung deals na to guys will only be available this coming November 9 at exactly